Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like. And today we're opening our BoxyCharm. I don't know if this is my premium or my deluxe box because I just started ordering the premium box. I got all set up for it, so hopefully I'll have that also. So this is premium. This is the premium box. So we're gonna see what's in the premium box. First, I got this Kypris Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. Ew. Look at her. Huh. I guess a highlighter. It's all shimmery shades. I guess it's supposed to be a highlighter. Not really my favorite, but it's okay. Rhone Liquid Lip Balm. My. Oh, my kiss. That's okay. And Charlie. Ow, Charlie. Charlie bit my finger. Sorry. Diva Eye Brush Set. Ooh! You know me and eye brush sets. Yes. They are ugly as can be, but like at the same time, I don't care. Not bad, not bad. The little plastic, but you know, not bad. Sorry, my room is a gigantic mess. We had a busy week looking at houses, my friend's wedding, work. I worked yesterday on my day off, and I got the COVID shot. My arm is so sore, and I have not, well, I got my second COVID shot. I have not slept in like the last 3 days, so. Needless to say, I am so exhausted. I got the Beta Clarity BHA drops. Salicylic acid retinol clarifying serum. Glow Skin Beauty. I got Lip Liner Duo from Reether. Don't come at me. It is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, infused with shea butter, infused with jojoba seed oil. Watch me not have said that right. Like, I got a nude and a red, like a brick red color. And then I got a Becca foundation, I think. Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. Yes, I got a foundation. So I'm not mad. I could always use more foundation. I don't know if it's going to match me, but looks like it's gonna be a little dark, but we can make it work, okay? SI. Okay. It's a lip balm, so it's not sticky. And then let's try these. So we got Starlight, Diamond Fire, Sun Glitter, Bold Aurora, and Shadow Alchemy. And they're supposed to be highlighters, I guess, so. That's a shade of foundation. That's the lip balm. No stickiness. And then the yeah. Let's try the eyeliner, or the lip liners. They don't have names, they have numbers. This one is 20-21-8. This is the one that's like a brick red. It's very, very, very soft. And this one is 20-21-8. Okay, so they have the same. Oh, okay. So the brick red one says Be Yourself, Realtor. And this one is I Am Confident. The nude one is I Am Confident. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. First premium box. I'm happy. I'm happy. Very good box. Equal parts skincare and makeup. We'll definitely get a lot of use out of most of it. Can't wait to try it all out. That was my very first premium box, so I'm not mad. The Cypress Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer Shimmer Palette Set was $145. The Glow Skin Beauty Beta Clarity BHA Drops were $48. The Lip Balm, the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, is $26. The brush set was $48. And the foundation is $44. The lip liners were $25. So I want to know, because this is my first premium box. So I want to know, what did you get? What didn't you get? If you don't get the premium box, what would you have liked to have gotten? Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to be said. I love you guys. I'm probably gonna go take a nap. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. And we're opening BoxyCharm. Yeah. So the first thing I got is a palette. It's a Natasha Denona palette. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, it's not the most exciting, but it's another Natasha Denona, so I'm happy. That's awesome. I got Nana Kadra tweezer kit. I'm not mad. I can always use tweezers. I got Petite and Pretty fully feathered volumizing mascara. I got a Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer Silicone-Free Cooling Effect. I don't have any Touch and Soul anything, so that would be kind of cool. Packaging is really cool, matte pink, see-through. It kind of smells like rose, like the, and it feels like gel, but it smells like rose water, like the spray, like most similar to the setting spray or priming spray, whatever you want to call it. And then I got Georgette Killinger Vitamin C Mask. Those are all very exciting. Okay. So we're going to read the information. The Natasha Denona palette was $48. The Touch and Soul primer is $32. The Georgette Killinger Vitamin C Mask is $36. The Petite and Pretty mascara is $16. And the Mana Kadra Beauty tweezer kit was $18. I cannot wait to try all this, especially the Natasha Denona palette. I like the other one that I got, super nice. Enjoy it very much. I am currently in my boyfriend's car right now because we are loading trash for a lady who cannot take her trash off.
What the hell are we doing here?
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next, what you would have liked to get in your box, what you did get in your box, what you didn't like out of my box, or what you would have liked to have gotten out of my box. I don't know. If we get to 500 subscribers, which I know we were at one point, but if we get to 500 subscribers again, I will do a giveaway because I know my channel dropped off for a little bit, but we're trying to make a comeback. And that's exciting. So, come on, we can do it. We're like 25 subscribers, I think. 25, 26 subscribers away from 500 again. So let's do it. Bye guys. See you in the next one.